A warning has been sent loud and clear from the U.S. Treasury Department. If Congress doesn't act, the U.S. faces another massive economic collapse, one that would echo what happened in 2008.
It could plunge us into something that looks a lot like the Great Recession, if not the Great Depression. Here's what the report finds. A default would be unprecedented, has the potential to be catastrophic. Credit markets could freeze, the value of the dollar could plummet, U.S. interest rates could skyrocket.
And it could spread around the world. U.S. stock markets reacted violently, dropping sharply after the warning. Just Wednesday, President Obama told CNBC Wall Street should be scared.
I think this time's different. I think they should be concerned. When you have a situation in which a faction is willing, potentially, to default on U.S. government obligations, we are in trouble.
As the shutdown lingers on, the Obama administration stands firm on Obamacare and insists deficits are falling. Speaking from a construction site in Rockville, Maryland, Thursday, Obama said he will not budge. Republicans aren't giving an inch either. They insist, though, the U.S. will get through the shutdown.
We've lived through previous shutdowns. We'll live through this one. But we're determined that this president has to compromise with us on something.
So neither side appears willing to budge. Parts of the government remain shut down, and the U.S. is rapidly approaching its $17 trillion debt limit. By October 17th, Treasury Secretary Jack Lew said the Treasury would have only $30 billion on the books, but with a $67 billion payment due on November 1st. Without raising the debt ceiling, the U.S. will default on its debt, sending shockwaves of panic and fear through the markets. Or, as a writer for The Atlantic suggests, Obama could ignore the debt ceiling, break the law, and make the payments. Democrats say they accepted the original spending plans proposed by Republicans, but now Republicans want more. Obama is asking for a new bill to sign immediately and says he will then stop the shutdown. For Newsy, I'm Cliff Judy.